Good evening, student. Today we are going to solve some questions from the topic electricity and magnetism. Here some questions I have pasted which would be beneficial for you on the topic of give region. The topic here, please ignore that differentiation between heading. First of all, give region. Number one question: a plastic comb rubbed on hair attracts the paper pieces. Why? So the answer would be a plastic comb rubbed on hair attracts the paper pieces because when the comb is rubbed on a dry hair, it gets electrically charged. This charged comb exerts an electric force on the piece of paper, which attracts the piece of paper. Next question is: woolen clothes give tick tick sound when we take off at night. So the answer would be, the reason would be, woolen clothes give tick tick sound when we take off at night because when we remove the cloth, friction is produced where static charges develop. Friction is a source of heat that makes electron moves. Third and very important question. It is also used in our daily life. This question, you can see this question. Lightning rod is fitted at the top of tall building. Why? So the answer is, lightning rod is fitted at the top of tall building because lightning occurs or heat at the highest object where the discharge takes place. Here the discharge means electron, okay? Lightning rod save the electrical apparatus from lightning. And the next question is, series combination is useful to light up the torch. Why? So the answer would be, series combination is useful to light up the torch because this series combination of cells produces more voltage, resultantly making the torch brighter. So these are the questions related to our electricity and magnetism based on static electricity and current electricity. As I have told you earlier, what is static electricity and what is current electricity in my old video. We have one more types, that is very short answer type questions. In this segment, I'm going to read the question: what is frictional electricity? And the answer will be, a type of electricity which is produced by rubbing to suitable surface is known as frictional electricity. Now the next question will be, which particle remains at the nucleus of an atom? The question asks about the subatomic particle. So we know that protons and neutrons named substance, here the spelling is incorrect, NaMeD, that will be NaMeD. Subatomic particle remains at the nucleus of an atom. And the third question is, if two positively charged bodies are brought nearer, what will happen? As we know that if two positively charged bodies are brought nearer, they repel each other. Next question is, define electric discharge. Electric discharge means releasing of electricity in any medium or state of matter. Next question is, what do you mean by the load in electricity? That portion or part of a circuit which consumes electric power is known as load. Second last question, name any two electric load. Electric heater and refrigerator are an example of two electric load. Last question, which combination of cells is useful to increase the brightness of bulb? Series combination of cell is useful to increase the brightness of bulb. So these are the question, very important question.